My perfect lawn has become a minefield of ant mounds. If you're sick of ants ruining your yard and threatening to invade your home, you're in the right place. I'm about to show you the 1-2 punch I use, a powerful bait and a broadcast killer to wipe them out for good and take back my lawn. These mounds mean a huge underground colony is wrecking your grass, and just spraying the surface won't work. Our two-step plan is simple. First, a smart bait that tricks workers into carrying a slow-acting poison to the queen, destroying the colony from within. Second, a broadcast treatment across the whole lawn to finish off any stragglers and stop them from moving. Step 1 is a homemade borax bait. Its slow-acting nature is key. It lets worker ants carry it to the queen, which collapses the colony. Mix a half teaspoon of borax and 8 teaspoons of sugar into 1 cup of warm water. For safety around kids or pets, soak cotton balls in the mix and seal them in a container with ant-sized holes. Place these bait stations near ant trails. For an extra layer of defense, especially around gardens, use food-grade diatomaceous earth. To us, it's a soft powder, but to ants, it's like sharp glass that dehydrates them. It's non-toxic to people and pets. Just sprinkle a thin line of the dry powder to create a barrier where you see ants. Reapply if it gets wet. After a few days, it's time for the knockout punch, a granular insecticide containing bifenthrin. Use a spreader to apply it over your entire lawn, not just the mounds, or they'll just relocate. After spreading, water it in thoroughly. This activates the insecticide, creating a protective barrier in the soil that lasts for months. Always follow the label directions and keep pets and people off the lawn until it's dry. Look at the results. The mounds are gone and my lawn is back. This 1-2 punch, baiting the queen and then treating the entire yard, is the fastest way to take back control. What's the worst ant problem you've faced? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.